today I'm going to show you how to perform an area fraction analysis relatively to a binary image in Avizo2D. Let's take this image. This is a composition of several grains of different grayscale values. Their values range from 2 to 256. By applying a specific recipe over it, it generates the segmentation of only the bright grains, as you can see here, but also a grayscale image of all the grains, where each voxel value equals the area of the total surface of all the grains, which is around 39,000. So now, let's have a look on how this image is generated. Once I have the segmentation of all the grains, as you can see on the left, I just need to apply the module label to area over it, which is a simple conversion module provided in this extra. So now let's apply the native measure area fraction analysis over the segmentation of the bright grains. It gives me the score of 20%, which is the area fraction of the bright grains relatively to the area of the whole image. Now I would like to compute the area fraction, but relatively to the area of all the grains only. So for that, I need to create the new measure. Let's call it custom area fraction. And the formula area over maximum must be affected to this new measure. Also, I need to create a new measure group. Let's call it custom area fraction analysis. And eventually to affect the new measure to this new measure group. Okay. So now I can use the grayscale image of all the grain as the input of the intensity image. And thanks to the new measure, I can now perform an area fraction analysis of the bright grains relatively to the older grains. And it gives me the score of 35%. Thank you for watching.